Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today I'm taking the Mihogo mini bike out for my first ride on it, and oh my goodness, is it the tiniest little thing. I think it's almost as cute as the Highboy C1. This is adorable. I'm pedaling kind of fast too because the rotation is not, it doesn't feel as long, so I'm just like, oh my goodness. I feel really silly riding this thing, but it is so cute. And it's much needed too. It is a hot, humid day. The lens on my camera is probably fogging up. I hope not. And Dad and I have a long list of to-dos. So getting out on this little mini bike and getting a little bit of a breeze is much needed. But oh my goodness, I feel so silly riding this, but I like it. I think I might be going crazy because I think my new obsession might be these little bikes, even though I absolutely love my bigger bikes. But let's take a look at this real quick. Yeah, let's take a look-see. Look at this tiny thing. It's so stinking cute. It's got a little bag right here, so I can, well, the battery's in there right now, but I also have my phone. It's got the cutest little kickstand. Oh my goodness, yeah, I don't know anything about this bike. I don't know any of the specs, but that is just, it is stinking adorable. Yeah, definitely not something I'd want to take for like a long trip, but you know, for just a quick little breather because we've got a lot going on today. Yeah, just taking it for a short little ride to get a little bit of a breeze. My goodness, it is really cute. I have it in pedal assist 4 right now, and it's getting me to about 15 miles per hour, so that's not bad. I kind of feel like I'm pedaling really fast though, but I think that's just because it's such a small bike. It feels like I'm pedaling really fast. Well, all right guys, that's gonna be it for this little video. A big old thumbs up and give us a big old subscribe, and yeah, send us a smiley face or something because we could use it. We got so much going on. There's gonna be a lot of new videos and new stuff coming your way, so look forward to that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please ride responsibly and ride safe, and eat some cake for Dad. Bye.